guys, welcome back to Cheesy Kitchen, and for today's video we'll be doing a meat lasagna. Here I have my lasagna shell. I got my seasoned spices. I got some diced onion, some diced scallion, and some minced garlic. This is my ground beef, the store-bought ground beef. This is the sauce that I'll be using for my video today, and we get to other stuff along the way. For now, I'm going to start off by cooking up my ground beef. So here I have it. I'm going to put on my pot with oil. So to season up the oil, I'm going to add a little garlic. A little garlic and onion to the pot just to flavor up the oil. So once I flavor up my oil, I'm then going to add my minced beef to let it cook. So guys, for here I add my onion and garlic to my minced beef. I'm gonna allow that to cook while also adding like seasoning. So you add your seasoning, flavor it any way you want it. I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna continue stirring. I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon broth to this as well. So add a little broth liquid. I'm gonna stir that. I'm going to combine everything and allow it to simmer down for about 10 more minutes before we get ready to add our sauce. At this stage, I'm going to add my sauce. I'm using tomato sauce for this recipe. It's a tomato pasta sauce that I'm using. So I add it. That is how it looks. So if I want it, if I want to add more sauce, I can add more sauce as well. If you want it to be more thicker. I'm going to start off my assembly process by spreading some of my sauce, that is a meat sauce, on the bottom of my baking pan. I'm going to add my first layer of lasagna shell. So mine hold about 3 shells, so 3 shells for this row. Just to make sure that it's covered properly. So I'm at my second layer. I'm going to add another layer of lasagna shell. And in between each shell, I'm going to alternate between our cheese, mozzarella cheese, and our meat sauce. So I'm at my third layer. There I add my cheese. We're going to alternate between our cheese and our meat sauce until we finally reach the top layer where we add more cheese and as much cheese and sauce as you want. So there you have it, guys. It's ready for the oven.